Chances are you've heard the term AI agents recently. It's out there all over the place. With it being so new, few people actually know what it means. So we asked Larry Roberts, who travels the globe teaching and learning about artificial intelligence, to stop by and break it down for us. What are AI agents and their future? Good morning, Larry. And let's just start right there. What's an AI agent?
Well, thank you for having me back, Jane. I really appreciate it. An AI agent is little more than a software program or an app that people could relate to that a little bit more, that's designed to perform a specific task. But it has the ability to think, act, and learn on its own.
Okay, I'm just taking all that in.
Sure.
So how do they work? Give me an example.
Well, an example would be voice assistants like Siri or Alexa. Or even if you want to take it a step further, Netflix, you may want to watch this next, or
Right.
Amazon's, you may want to buy this next. Those are all AI agents as well.
Okay, so why all the big deal right now about AI agents? Why are we hearing so much about it? I mean, we've had Siri. We've had, the
Sure.
Netflix thing. What's the deal? What's going
Well,
on?
now they're expanding their functionality and they're expanding their use. So AI agents are great for performing repetitive tasks. So if you program an AI agent to handle something like a repetitive scheduling task or maybe managing your email inbox, that frees you up to do more creative and more strategic thinking and take on additional projects.
Okay, so not getting too far into the weeds here.
Yeah.
But how do they learn or adapt to new information and environments?
Sure. Well, AI agents, they're trained on large language models. So we're probably familiar with that if you've used a ChatGPT or
yeah.
a Gemini, right?
Yeah.
So those are large language models. So they train the AI agents on those, and then they use algorithms or sophisticated mathematic calculations to do what's called reinforcement learning. And that allows us to run these AI agents and allows them to learn through trial and error.
Okay, so you mentioned a couple of things. Give me a couple of other examples of an AI agent that we could use in our everyday life, something that maybe we don't know about yet.
Sure. Well, a good friend of mine, as a matter of fact, he's a real estate investor, and he actually uses an AI agent to do all of his negotiating. So he puts in the parameters of the deals, and he puts in the potential deals, turns on the AI agent, it does all the negotiating, and he just steps in to close the deals. Something maybe even a little more common would be to manage your email inbox. So if you have scripted responses to certain types of emails, these AI agents can come in, they can organize your inbox, they can sort your inbox, and they can even reply to emails for you.
Do you need a different AI agent for all those tasks?
Typically, yes. They're designed to perform a specific task.
Because I was going to say, well, you can ask ChatGPT or Perplexity to do a lot of that stuff.
Sure.
But it's like one AI agent does your emails.
Correct.
Or what? Okay, that makes sense.
And they can be super sophisticated or they can be super simple as well.
All right, a lot of us are seeing AI adopted into our workplace. How are they being adopted? What do people need to know about that?
Sure, businesses are incorporating AI agents across a variety of different industries, and they're using it to do a variety of things from customer service to repetitive scheduling tasks. Some are even using their supply chains. They're managing their supply chains with AI agents. And of course, we can't forget about data analysis. That's where AI agents can really shine, is looking at large amounts of data and letting the workers make informed decisions much quicker.
Okay, so I'm going to preface this by saying, do you think anybody really knows the answer to this question right now? But you say AI agents are not replacements for people.
Sure.
But do you think anybody really knows the answer to that question right now?
I think the future is going to show us exactly where this goes, but as of right now, they're designed to be collaborative. They're designed to work with the workers. For instance, an AI agent could potentially answer employees' frequently asked questions. And going back to the data analysis, this will allow, if they work with an AI agent, to analyze data much more faster, much more accurately, and allow them to make those decisions on the fly.
And I know I've heard you say this before, that the very best thing you can do if you're employed, if you're not employed, whatever, is to learn how to use this stuff,
sure,
right?
100%.
Okay,
100%.
so where can people find you if they want to know more about this or if they want to learn how to use some of this stuff?
Sure, go to LarryRoberts.com. I'm super easy to find.
All right, thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Really good information for all of us. Thanks.